Viking Dishwasher Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Viking dishwasher repair that consists of Viking front-load dishwasher repair and Viking top-load dishwasher repair, along with all other Viking dishwasher models. If you are having problems with your Viking dishwasher, such as the dishwasher doesn't clean, the dishwasher won't drain, dishwasher buttons don't work, the dishwasher's lights are flashing, the dishwasher's leaking, the dishwasher won't start, dishwasher won't latch, the dishwasher dispenser doesn't work, the dishwasher won't fill, the dishwasher's overflowing, or the dishwasher won't dry dishes. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.